Alright, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and start adding windows and doors to this and maybe start coloring everything. I'm going to go ahead and just focus on this one floor plan, even though this one is a little easier to edit, but I kind of like this one, so we're going to go ahead and start windows and doors. So I'm going to clean this up real fast and get rid of any additional little lines it drew when I was push-pulling all of this stuff around. Alright, that's probably good enough for now. So, I'm going to go ahead and right-click and erase, for now, the floor on all of this. It's really easy to draw back, and it makes it easier for me to see what exactly on the floor plan I am doing. So, whether it's the kitchen, the living room, and to see where all the different elements are, like the windows and doors and stuff. So let's get rid of all that. And okay, we have our first door right here. So I have an entry door. As I've said, I don't measure much, but I think I'm gonna make the height all the same on this. So measure, I'm gonna use my tape measure. I think I'm gonna mark these. Let's do, I think 7 feet looks pretty good. So I'm going to make all my doors the same height. So I'm going to go ahead and at least do that. So you can draw your door on it, and then you can push-pull it right through, and it should knock it right out. Sometimes it does mess up, and it will, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It'll not push through. It'll just kind of make a bubble on the other side. If it does that, you can always take your push-pull and put it right on the other side of the wall on this line. It will push-pull at that distance. Let's see here. Door, we have a bathroom door. So let's make this one 7 feet. This is a really small door. I'm gonna make that a little bigger. Somehow I did not pull that through all the way. Okay. Bedroom door. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I finish up the doors, and then I'll move on to the windows. Alright, so I went ahead and made all the doors. I did make a few changes here, and I knocked some walls out and kind of adjusted the floor plan to what I want it to look like, and I'm just going to leave the garage door alone for now, and I'll mess with that later. So yeah, there's the floor plan as it is right now. I'm going to go ahead and stick some windows on here. So okay, so I'm not sure. I guess I'm going to make the windows the same height. I don't know if I'm going to make them all the same width, though. So I'm going to go ahead and take my tape measure again. Let's go. Let's do 2 feet. And let's do 2 feet. Alright, so we've got a few windows here. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Yeah, I think I'm going to copy this one. Actually, I'm going to slide it over. So again, my students get really caught up on everything being exactly the same, and it really doesn't have to be. Like, it can be really whatever you want it to be. We'll put a small window. That's the bath. Yeah, we don't really want a big bathroom window. Alright, that. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. Alright, let's go over here. Just gonna go ahead and mark this whole thing. Just want to do it. Alright. 2 feet. It's really giving me a hard time there. For some reason it is not snapping to the wall. Alright, well I'm going to come back to that in a minute. So let's go ahead and put a window here. Let's see if they got any windows here. Nope, doesn't look like they have windows there. I'm going to stick a few windows. Alright, let's add another. Yeah, it's another bathroom. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I finish this up. Okay, so there we have it. All of our windows cut out, doors, everything. If you want to get rid of the guidelines, you can. The tape measure drew, you can go ahead and erase them with your eraser. Or you can go right here to display and delete all guides. I'm going to go ahead and color this. Let's fix that. That's going to bug me. We're going to go ahead and start coloring this in the next video.